stop for a second. Before you say anything today, listen carefully. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly nothing comes out? You understand English, you can read, you can listen, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes completely blank. And this doesn't happen once, it happens again and again and again. You think, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? Someone is looking at you, waiting. Just a few seconds, but it feels like pressure. And you say, or nothing. And if you don't change this, this will keep happening every single time. But today, you are not staying silent. Hey, I'm Gwen. Welcome to Fluent Core English. Today, you will speak in real situations without freezing. You will open your mouth and speak without stopping. Even if your English is broken, you will still speak. Even if people don't understand you, you will still speak. But listen, if you don't speak with me, you will go back to silence. So don't skip. Stay here. Open your mouth and speak right now. Don't think, just speak immediately. Good. We start. Say it with me. I speak English. I speak English, even if I feel slow. I speak English, even if I make mistakes. I speak English, right now. Now don't pause. Say it instantly. I speak English. Good. You are speaking. Don't stop. Next. I am not afraid. I feel nervous, but I still speak. I feel scared, but I still speak. Now faster. Don't wait. Speak now. I am not afraid. Stay with me. This is where most people stop. Next. I just speak. Wait. Give me a second. I'm thinking, but I still speak. Even if I don't know the right words, I speak anyway. Even if I feel stuck, I speak anyway. Next. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to sound slow. It's okay to try again. It's okay. You're learning. If you stop now, you go back to silence. But you won't. Now faster. Don't think. I speak English. I am not afraid. I just speak. It's okay. Again, stronger. I speak English. I don't stop. Take a breath. Did you feel that? That small change. That is your real voice. Don't lose it. Stay with me, because next part is where people quit. Now we go deeper. Don't skip this. Say it with me. I make mistakes, but I keep speaking. Wait, I made a mistake. Let me try again. Give me a second. I'm thinking. I try again. And I keep going. Now don't stop. Say it in one flow. I make mistakes, but I keep speaking. If you stop here, nothing will change. So keep going. I speak, even if I'm wrong. I don't stop, even when it feels hard. I speak anyway. even when my voice feels slow, even when I feel unsure, even when I feel stuck, I still speak. Now faster. No pause. I make mistakes. I try again. I keep speaking. I don't stop. I speak anyway. Good. That was strong. You are not silent anymore. You are speaking. Now, something important. Don't go quiet. Now talk about yourself. Repeat after me. I had a good morning today. I had a slow morning today, but I'm here. Now your turn. Don't stay silent. Say something. I had a blank morning today. Good. That is real English. Say it again. Don't think. I had a morning today. Next. I'm a little tired, but I'm ready. I feel tired, but I still speak. Now say it instantly. I'm a little, but I'm. Even if it's not perfect, say it anyway. Say it again. Slow, clear, real. I'm a little, but I'm. You don't need perfect English. You need speaking English. Stay with me, because next, someone will ask you something, and this time, you will answer instantly. You will not freeze. I speak, even when I'm unsure. I speak, even when I don't feel ready. This is how I grow. This is how I grow. This is not practice anymore. This is you, changing. Stay here. Don't lose this feeling. Now, all together, don't hold back. I speak English every morning. I am not afraid anymore. I can speak freely. I speak even when I'm not ready. This is my voice. Breathe. Now, real life starts. The moments that make you nervous. This is where most people go silent, but you won't. Stay with me. Say it with me. Situation 1. Hi, my name is... Hi, my name is Anna. Now your name. Don't wait. Say it. Hi, my name is... Good. That's your voice. Situation 2. Someone speaks too fast. You don't understand. Don't stay silent. Say this now. Sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, can you repeat that? This one sentence will help you again and again. Situation 3. Someone asks you something. Your mind goes blank. Don't freeze. Say this. Let me think for a second. That's okay. That's real. Keep speaking. Situation 4. You say something wrong. You feel embarrassed. Most people stop here, but you don't. Say this. Sorry, let me say that again. Let me try one more time. That is not weakness. That is a speaker. That is you. Situation 5. Sometimes you just want to be honest. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Please be patient. There is nothing weak about this. This is brave. Situation 6. Someone does something nice. You want to say something, but the words don't come. Say this. That's really great. You did a great job. I really appreciate that. Speaking kindly is powerful, and you just did it. Last situation. Someone invites you. You can't go. Say this. I'm sorry, I can't make it. Thank you for the invitation. Maybe next time. Saying no kindly is a real skill. Now you have it. Now, feel this. I feel nervous, but I speak anyway. I feel nervous. My voice shakes, but I still speak. I feel better, and it gets easier. Every time, it gets easier. Don't forget that. One more time, don't stop. I feel nervous. My voice shakes. I speak anyway, and it gets easier. Listen. I used to feel afraid. I didn't speak, but I kept showing up. And one day, the fear became smaller, but my voice was still there. That is you, still here, still speaking, still growing. Now, one last round. Don't stop, just go. I speak English. I am not afraid. I keep speaking. I speak even if I'm wrong. I don't stop. Faster, don't think. I speak English. I am not afraid. I keep speaking. I speak even if I'm wrong. I don't stop. Good. That was real. You didn't just watch this. You spoke. Most people wait until they feel ready. But you speak first, and confidence comes after. 1 week from now, this will feel easier. 1 month from now, you will speak without fear. And it started today. If you really want to speak English, not just understand it, then don't stop here. Subscribe to Fluent Core English because every day we speak together and every day you become better. And don't miss the next video because next someone will ask you something and this time you will answer instantly. You will not freeze. Don't go back to silence. Start speaking today. See you in the next session.